Okay, which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector? Private. Okay. Then how long have you been working there? 2 years. What's your qualification? Okay, what was your branch name? Okay, how did you get that job? Any campus selection or did you appear any interview? Okay, so nice. Do you wanna change your profession in future or do you like that job? Okay, then do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with language learner? Okay, do you talk with anyone in English at your campus? I mean to say at your office. Do you talk with anyone, your colleagues, your boss, your team leader? Okay, how many languages do you know? Hindi and English, right? Okay, apart from your state, have you visited different state within India? Okay, which state have you visited? Okay, okay. Have you visited in there due to your professional life or due to your personal reason? Okay, if you get chance, then which country do you wanna go apart from India? Okay, have you interact with ever anyone foreigner in English language? Have you talked with any foreigner? Okay, then you tell me if you meet any foreigner, then first of all, what you wanna greet them? O- Okay, so fine. Then you tell me, have you visited whole UP? Have you visited? Okay, then do you like reading book? Okay, then which type of book do you like? Okay, do you like fiction and non-fiction or do you like only just this kind of? Okay, Miss, which author do you read? Okay, what do you do in your leisure time? Okay, how much time do you invest through platform per day? Okay, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Okay, then if you meet any language learner, do you take any topic to discuss or do you talk with them in casual conversation? Okay, so nice. Then which do you use social media? Okay, which type of social media do you use frequently? Okay, do you learn from Facebook or do you only scrolling? How many offline and online friend do you have? Okay, then do you have any close friend? Do you have best friend? Okay, if you meet your best friend, then what type of discussion do you share with him? Right, you are right. Then because sometime what happen if you okay, I have one question because you are working, then if you get any toxic colleagues, then how you deal with that person? Okay, if you get a toxic authority, then how you deal with him or her?